To fix this pin to the lever and make sure that it's well hooked in a way that it wouldn't easily fall off. And then so the way it's fixed intact now, no matter how much it is flushed, the lever would not what? The pin wouldn't leave the lever. I think I have to adjust this side flush too to fit to perfectly fit this system. And that is it. See that? So let's see how it goes. Water is flowing now. For time, just show the water now. The pressure of the water, you see, it's coming out very well. Okay, but for troubleshooting, for test running, let's make it fill up on time. Okay, because I ain't got time. I need to go attend to some other clients. See that?
No, wait.
So that is it. Okay.